In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT to Google Sheets. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can seamlessly integrate this powerful tool into your spreadsheets, enhancing your productivity and making your data management much more dynamic and efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your Google Sheets. If you haven't got one open already, you can simply go to your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one from your files. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, we're going to make our way to the extensions menu. You can find this at the top of your Google Sheets window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. This menu includes a range of tools you can use to extend the functionality of your spreadsheet, and it's where we'll find the option to add new features. Next, select add-ons from this drop-down. A submenu will appear and you'll want to click on Get Add-ons. This directs you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a vast library of add-ons that you can integrate into your Google products to enhance their capabilities. And think of it like an app store for Google Workspace. It's an amazingly resourceful place where you can find tools specifically designed to meet your unique spreadsheet needs. Once you're in the marketplace, the simplest way to find the right add-on is by searching. In the search bar, type GPT. This should bring up a list of available add-ons related to GPT, including those that leverage ChatGPT's powerful language model. Depending on your specific requirements, you might see different options here. It's crucial to choose the one that best fits your needs. Now, you'll select the GPT add-on you wish to install. Simply click on the one that catches your eye or fits your requirements best. Each add-on will have a short description of its functionality, so you can have a quick read-through to ensure it aligns with what you're looking for. After selecting your desired add-on, click the Install button. Don't worry, if at any point you change your mind, these installations are not a permanent commitment. You can easily uninstall add-ons if needed. After you've clicked Install, you might be prompted to grant permissions for the add-on. Google Sheets add-ons often need specific permissions to interact appropriately with your spreadsheet, so read through them carefully, and if you're comfortable, go ahead and allow the permissions. Once granted, the installation process will complete, and your newly chosen ChatGPT add-on will be ready to use within your Google Sheets. And there you have it. You've successfully added ChatGPT to your Google Sheets. Now you can start leveraging AI to automate tasks